routine. We're going to do a Kizomba Fusion routine. So it's going to have elements of Kizomba, elements of urban kids, and we're going to fuse those together in a short routine, 3 counts of 8. For the followers among you, I hope you really enjoy it. I know you'll really enjoy it. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you do enjoy the content, and share it with a friend. So let's get straight into it. The first move we're going to do is female Saida. So we're going to go right leg back first. 1, out to the side with the left 2. 3, straight in front of you with the right foot. 4, you come back into your line. From here we're going to do a move commonly seen in urban kids, where we're going to do like a little bit of a wave and a syncopation to the side in a straight line horizontal. So we're going to go here, back, and land, and then we go again. We put the right shoulder down, switch our weight to the right, go over, step, and then we have our weight balance, so like when we land. So it starts with a female Saida, we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here we go 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So you really want that wave movement here. Yeah, that wave movement back. And as you land, try to keep your weight kind of 50-50 balance on right and left legs. And when you do the wave, once you start the wave, you're shifting your weight more over now to the right, bringing that left leg in, put the weight on it, and then equalize your weight with the right foot again. So we start with female Saida. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And we want that to be quite smooth, like quite snaky and smooth. Yes? From there, we're going to do another female Saida. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the right leg, to end our Saida, we're going to go up here. Yeah, so it's going to be a sweep with the right leg up. So you've got female Saida. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up with the right leg. 5. And you're going to hold it for 2 counts on the right leg. So it can be 5, 6, and then you're going to do a balance, say back with the right leg, 7, 8. So from the back it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, sweep, 5, hold 6, balance say back, 7, 8. I'll balance say, I'll put a link to a tutorial that you can watch later where I broke down the balance say. So you really want to push into the ground with the ball of your foot, hips going back, and then transfer your weight back over onto the left. Balance say. So put in those. Before we do that, I'm going to show you how to jazz up your female Saida, which I've shown you in previous tutorials, but you can do it here as well. So we're on here, back and right, 1, 2. We're going to do a syncopation on the female Saida. 3, so touching the ground with the right foot, don't put the weight down on it, put the weight on and step forward on 4. So it'll be 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then we can lift our right leg up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we can do that syncopation on both the Saidas that we've done so far in the routine. Yes, I'll show you from the front of the syncopation. 1, 2, tap 3, then put the weight on and go forward on 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from the very top, after 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Syncopate to the side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Second Saida, we go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Lift legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it faster to speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, our our third and final count of 8, we're going to do a male saida. So we're going back on the right leg, then back on the left leg in a straight line. 2, we go back again with the right leg. 3, coming out to the side with the left leg. 4, and when we close, we're going to go into our slow basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. So now saida again. 1, 2, 3, out. 4, slow basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put all our counts of 8, so our 3 counts of 8 in one go. First slowly, then to speed, and then with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And say that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, and let's try it with music.
Je sais comme un corps sur mon terrain, qu'importe les hommes, la musique.